spooky kitchen.
Well, the assistant spooky kitchen.
Oh, I'm your co-host, the Count.
And I'm your host, assistant.
Today we're gonna make spooky cakes and cupcakes. Hey, where's our friend Frank?
I don't know.
That Frankenstein, he's always running late. So it's my turn. I'm gonna make the spookiest cake ever. It's gonna be yummy for your belly. Are you gonna have some?
Depends. It depends.
So are you ready? So
yeah.
We are going to make my spooky cake. My first ingredient.
What's your first ingredient?
Is a tomato.
A tomato.
So let's get a tomato.
I got the tomato. What do you want me to do with it? Or you
What? Me too. Put it in the bowl.
Oh, no.
Just like that. I'm going to stir up my tomato.
Do you want to crush it?
No, just like this.
Oh, so a tomato in a bowl.
Yes. So we've got the tomato.
Since we're really getting serious, I think I'm going to take off my cape.
Me too. The Count never takes off his cape. The next ingredient is a watermelon.
A watermelon?
Of course.
You're getting really healthy here. Well, I don't think a tomato and watermelon really mix.
Oh, it melts wonderfully.
Milk?
Will you get me a spoon, assistant?
Sure.
Oh, I got this spoon right here.
I have a spoon.
We put in some watermelon. The next thing I'm gonna need, the assistant, is my strawberry syrup.
Oh, do you want me to get this one for you?
Nope, I got it.
I'll open it.
I got it. Here, you take back the watermelon.
It's open.
Thank you. Ready?
Oh my. Oh!
We gotta put in lots of strawberry syrup. Would you like some?
No.
Okay.
It's sticky.
Very sticky. Because I've got a sticky watermelon tomato cake. Now I need real strawberry. Give me some strawberries, please.
Oh.
Do you notice everything in my ingredients of a certain color?
It's red.
Red. You know why the Count likes red?
Because of...
My mother, that's right. Red was her favorite color.
Well, here's some strawberries.
Strawberries? We add the strawberries.
Whoa.
Very good. All right, next I need...
What do you need, Jell-O?
Jell-O, red Jell-O.
There you go.
Here's my Jell-O. This gives it the consistency that you need.
Here's a spoon if you want to get it out like that.
Oh, good idea, good idea. Very good, very good. Okay, for my next ingredient, my last ingredient, I need some tang, some savoriness. I need the ketchup.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you messed me up. The ketchup. Oh, give me the ketchup. Are you ready? Ketchup is.
Oh!
Yeah. Very red. And look, different colors of red.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, different shades. We mix it up.
Oh,
Doesn't that look awesome? The tomato will cook in.
it got all over the place. Look, it got on the Hershey.
Oh, that's okay. Would you like to take a bite?
I'll do it once the cake is made.
Right now. You don't want to try the batter?
No. I like cookie dough.
Okay. Mine is going to go in the oven.
Oh, not in a pan?
No, I cook it in a bowl. Ta-da!
Whoa.
Now, it is your turn or is it Frank's turn?
My turn.
I don't think that Frank is on time. We'll let you make your cake now, okay?
Okay, now it's my turn to make some mince. Dad, get out of here, Dad!
Yeah, it's just me. Sister, I'm just here to help you.
Oh, okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is do a vanilla cake mix.
Vanilla cake mix. Ready? I'm here, the bat. Just come. Here, I'll help you.
Oh, I got it.
I got it.
No.
Can I just have a little bite of the cake mix? Let me eat it.
No. Whoa, whoa, you're making the bag fall out.
But I just want to eat the cake batter. Oh.
It's not even really started yet. Okay, now, where's my spoon? Oh, here's one. I got a spoon. No, that's the egg, that's the egg.
I was just going to try to eat it.
You don't want to do that. Okay, now I'm going to add in the egg.
Buck, buck, buck. They come from chickens. Chickens go buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Chickens go buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck.
Okay.
That's how the chickens go. Can I have a bite? Let me try a
Not
bite.
done yet.
Oh, you take forever.
You took a long time too.
No, come this fast.
Now, the chocolate ball.
Chocolate balls. May I have some? May I have some, please?
Yep. Let me get one. Or a couple. Or, okay. Here.
Boom. I decided I didn't want to eat it after all.
Okay, so I'm gonna mix that up.
What are you doing?
Now for marshmallow.
Oh, can I have the marshmallow?
It's for the cake, Count.
But I like to put them on my teeth. I just stick them on my teeth. I go, like that. Oh, boom. Was that knock?
Oh.
So sorry. So sorry. I didn't need it. I just so sorry.
Okay, so now it's time for sugar.
Oh, sugar, sugar. Oh, you're my honey, honey. Sugar, sugar. Did you add it?
Yeah,
Ooh, that looks yummy.
looks sticky too.
But there's no red.
Yeah, I didn't really want to add red this time.
But there's no red. How can you make it without the red?
Now for the cookie dough.
Cookie dough. Cookie dough?
Cookie dough.
Really? Oh, cookie dough. Yeah.
Now I think I
That looks very good.
should make it more moist, so I'm gonna add some water.
Water?
Water.
Not the garlic water.
Just regular water.
Oh.
Oh, this is so good. Now you gotta
Right.
mix it.
Did you know that Frank doesn't like eggs?
Really?
Yeah, he only eats the shells. He's very strange.
Oh. I'll remember that when I help him.
Yeah, where is he at? He's not even here yet. That Frank. Always running behind. He goes, oh, I can't tell time. I'm a monster. Oh, I'm a monster. I can't tell time. I'm always running late. I say, Frankie, get a good watch. Always late.
Okay, now I think I'm done mixing.
Yeah, that's really yummy. Kind of.
Ew, no!
Oh, I just want to
It
eat.
does smell good though.
That sure does.
Time to put it in the oven.
And I've got to go. I've got to go. Bye. I need to eat and fly away. That's what I got to do. Oh, I'm not eating yet.
Oh no. Well, I'm done with mine. Now it's time for Frank's. Okay, so now it's Frank's turn if he shows up.
Frankie, cooks.
Frankie!
Frankie.
Frank, you are late. You already missed the last 2 rounds.
Oh.
Count and me already went.
Frankie late. Oh, Frankie always late. Oh, Frankie's got to get a more reliable
Watch.
Oh, yeah. I need to get a watch. I don't know. That's what I want to say.
Okay,
Frankie, cook.
what are you going to have for our bake-off? Whoa!
Frankie Cook Kitchen! My first ingredient, my special green potion.
Ooh.
Oh, it smells perfect. Would you like to smell it? It's made with rotten eggs and worms. Just like Frankie.
Cool. Add it in.
Oh, yes. Ooh, this will make the best one ever. Okay. My first ingredient needs green. Green frog! Green frog!
Here you go.
Green frog! green candy frog. Sure, my green frog.
Oh. Now it looks like Frog Lagoon.
Oh yeah, would you like to try it?
No,
Ooh.
I'm good.
Next ingredient. Frankie needs Jello.
Jello?
King Jello for Frankie.
Okay, I got a spoon so you can dump it out.
Jello. Green Jello. Green.
Here's a spoon if you want to use it.
No, it come out on his own. Oh, get out, Jello. Frankie. Frankie got out.
Okay.
Next. Frankie doesn't like eggs. No.
You want eggs?
But I need one egg.
One egg.
Then I need a banana.
Okay, here's
Okay.
the egg. No.
The egg.
Put it in a bowl.
Bowl. Egg. Ah! Just like that. We stir it up. Shells make it better. Okay, Frankie needs a banana.
Here you go.
Can you peel it for me, please?
Yeah.
Some people, they don't know why you need to peel a banana.
Here.
But Frankie does. Oh, I don't need that. I need the peel of the banana. Yes, Frankie! Oh, yummy. Oh, yummy.
Doesn't look too appetizing anymore.
Yeah. Pickles, please.
Pickles?
Yes, green pickles.
Okay, I got them open.
Green pickles.
Oh, the smell! No. Oh!
Pickles. For our assistant, you can have some if you want. Go ahead and eat a pickle.
Do you want me to try one?
Next ingredient.
I don't like it. What?
I need
I see.
green beans. Green beans for Frankie's cake.
Okay, here. It's halfway open.
There, green beans.
Oh!
Green beans.
The pickles.
Now my last ingredient, green icing. Green icing.
Okay.
Green.
Oh!
Mmm. Yeah.
This doesn't look too good.
Oh, it looks wonderful. Frankie's special recipe taught to me by Igor. And Igor only makes good things. You know what Igor made?
What?
He made me, Frankie. That's right. Ooh, smells yummy. Now it goes in the oven.
Pickles.
300 degrees for 3 days.
3 days?
Oh yeah, it's gotta cook through. Oh, that's closing. There we go. Okay, we see who wins competition, okay?
Okay.
Frankie.
So we have our finished cakes and cupcakes, the counted cupcakes.
That's right, look at my yummy cupcakes. They're red. Remember, red's my favorite color, because they remind me of my mother.
Yep, there's
She was
chocolate
red.
and vanilla.
Oh, yummy, yummy. Frankie thinks my cake's the best.
Well, you'll have to, people at home have to decide whose was the best.
Mine. My cake is the best.
You mean cupcakes, Count.
Oh, look at the assistant's cake.
I decorated it just for Halloween and stuff.
But it's a watermelon. Why did you make a watermelon Halloween cake?
Because watermelons are my favorite.
Oh, that makes lots of sense. Yeah. Very good. People at home, who's the winner? That's right. Make sure you let us know who had the best cupcakes or cake.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Give us a thumbs up.
Oh yes, give us a thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there! You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha There are so many videos to watch. Bye.